and welcome to the podcast series Voices of Innovation Shaping the Future of Tech Education. I'm your host, Dr. Aarti Chugh, and we are here to explore an exciting topic Internship Edge, Real World Readiness at IILM. To explore this, we have with us Dr. Pooja Batra Nagpal, Associate Professor and Internship Coordinator at School of Computer Science and Engineering, IILM University, Gurugram. She has a rich 18 years of academic and industry experience in the field of emerging technologies. Welcome, Dr. Pooja.
Thank you, Dr. Aarti, for inviting me here.
Thanks a lot for being here. So, let's start with the first question. How are internships structured at IILM University for engineering students?
So at IILM, we provide a structured internship framework. Every student of BTech has to undergo two mandatory summer internship program. First internship program is after second year, that is necessary for their foundational industry exposure. And second one is after third year, which is aligned with their specialization along with their career goals.
Okay, it sounds good that there are two internship programs. So can you please put a light on what kind of companies, industries you are collaborating with for these internship programs?
Absolutely, we have built strong industry relationship with leading MNCs like IBM, Microsoft, L&T, Xebia, HCL, and many more. So these collaborations give our students opportunity to work on real-life projects. They gain technical mentorship, and even some of the cases our students get pre-placement offers too.
Oh, it sounds good. Pre-placement offers for the students. Could you highlight what makes IILM internship program different and unique when we compare it with other universities?
So what makes us stand out is our hands-on mentoring approach and student industry alumni network and our focus on role-based learning. Here students just don't intern. We are preparing our students for real-life problems and they are coming with solution of this problem in the form of ready projects. So our internship program is mapped to their skill set, long-term goals and further their interest too.
Wow. So any success stories would you like to mention?
Definitely, some of our students are working with IBM and Microsoft. They are working on internship projects, and I would like to tell you that 120 students undergo Microsoft summer internship program, and they have created very innovative projects. And one team of students is already working on sustainability related projects that is collaborated with L&T.
Wow, 120, such a big number. So it's really, the IILM faculty is putting very hard efforts for the students. So my last question is, why a prospective student should choose IILM?
So at IILM, we just don't prepare our students for jobs. We are preparing them for innovation, impact and technology. Our internships are basically bridges the gap between academics and real world problems. If you are looking for experience-led learning and future ready goals, and if you are looking for top industry exposure, then IILM is the place to be.
So it's really nice that now I guess all the students have got answer to their queries that why IILM, what's the internship program. Thank you, Dr. Pooja, for sharing all these thoughts and answering to our queries. So I hope all of our students have got answers and they will be choosing IILM for future prospects. Thank you.